The government of Botswana has dismissed reports circulating on online news platforms and social media alleging that Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa gifted 10 cattle to the President of Botswana, Thuma Boko, during a recent official visit. Sanamira mashoko atina kuti aiwa vakomana vekubotswana vauya vakaramba vakanzi aiwa isu hatityisidzani aiwa nemutungamiri wenyika yezimbabwe ndoti bosubscribe oleko turn the bell icon. Tina Msimbai, Mdanyara Chidi, President Mnangagwa recently visited Botswana as the rotational chair of the Southern African Development Community SADC to inspect the regional bloc's headquarters and assess the new projects proposed under SADC's agenda. The visit, hosted by President Thuma Boko, was part of routine diplomatic engagements. Rumors of the cattle gift emerged shortly after the visit, prompting the office of the President of Botswana to issue a strongly worded statement through Press Secretary Emang Mutapati, equivocally denying the claims. Mutapati stated, "The office of the President categorically refutes false allegations that President Thuma Boko has received any breed of cows or a similar gift from His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa of the Republic of Zimbabwe. President Boko has never been involved in farming either as a cattle ranger or in any other capacity." Describing the claims as baseless propaganda, Mutapati emphasizes that they were designed to mislead the public, disrupt the government's work, and undermine the strong diplomatic ties between the two nations. Ndo mashoko ari kuonekwa kuti aiwa vakomana aiwa vekubotswana vari vachidismisa mashoko aya vachiti aiwa mashoko enhema vari kuona kuti angatozokanganisa aiwa relationship the president Gideon Maboko aiwa nemacitizens avo kana kuti kuzokanganisa maties between Botswana and Zimbabwe. Mashoko ari kuona kuti ari vachidismisa kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika mashoko ari kufamba achinzi akanogifta aiwa mabreeds emombe ndenhema. Tudze mafunguro emuri kudi pamusoro chituko ichi peda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.